Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing well. If you're new, welcome, and if you're revisiting, thanks for stopping by and watching one of my videos again. So today I'm going to be doing a part 2 to the Colourpop haul that I did in, I think I want to say February. This is actually a Colourpop haul. I should probably call this the haul I forgot to film. I've had this for about 3 months now. Yeah, I've had this makeup for 3 months. I opened it, I was so excited, and then I just basically ended up purchasing other things and just moving on, and then just life happened, and before I knew it, 3 months had gone by. 3 months had gone by and I still hadn't filmed my part 2. So so these products I got, I want to say, was it in February also? Yeah, I want to say February. Let's stick to February. So I have a few products, a few lip products. I have one palette, I have one highlighter, and that's about it. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things I want to talk through. So hopefully this won't be too long of a video. So the first thing I want to talk about is the first lip product, or should I say lip bundle. So this was on sale at the time, or was on promotion, and this is the Colourpop Can You Not lip bundle, and this is the mixed finish one as well. So in here we have 3 colors. One is Lotion, and it's an ultra matte lip. The second is Hutch, it's an ultra satin lip, and the third is Suki, and it's an ultra glossy lip. So I've already got products on my lip. What I'm wearing today is my Makeup Revolution matte, I want to say Revolution Pro matte pigment, and it's Show and Affection mixed together. So it's currently my 2 favorite lip combos of the collection of the colors I have. But anyway, back to Colourpop. So it comes in this lovely packaging, and I'm just gonna go through from Lotion, Hutch and Suki. Okay, so the first one is Lotion, and it's, to be honest, these are all kind of red and berry like colors, so I feel like they will probably be more appropriate for winter. I mean, there's nothing to say you can't wear this in summer if you want to go for a really sexy or grungy or you know, smoky type eye look, and you want to have something like this to match it. So this is Lotion. I'm just going to swatch it on the back of my hand, and it's really nice. I've already tried, like I said, this is the part 2 to my first haul, so I've already tried Colourpop's lip products out. This is what it looks like, and it's a really nice berry color. The only thing I'm going to say about this lip bundle, which it wasn't as obvious online, is that the colors are very similar. Like, the reason why I buy lip bundles is because I know I can get 3 different options for a cheaper price, and the colors are very similar, so I'm not too happy about that. I'm hoping maybe they'll show up on my skin a bit different, but yeah, just to the naked eye they feel a bit similar. So this next one is called Hutch, and that's Hutch, that's Lotion. So Lotion and Hutch. As you can see, it's like Hutch is just slightly darker and Lotion is slightly more pink to it. And lastly, I have Suki, which is a gloss. So but I do like these colors. It's just, and this isn't super pigmented, but it's got some color to it. You can definitely build it up. So this is Suki, or Suki should I say. And yeah, so those are the 3 colors. And then next I have 3 single lip sticks, I want to say. So the first one is the Lippie Stix called Frenchie, and it's a Frenchie matte. So it's a matte lip liner type, or lip pencil type of thing. It looks like this, and it's slanted like that. It's bright red. So I'm going to swatch it on this side of my hand, and it looks like that. So it's a really nice red. It swatches really nicely, and it looks like it's got a bit of a gloss to it, even though it says it's matte on the pack. So it'll be interesting to see how that dries down. So the next one is another Lippie stick called Grungie, and it's also, it says it's a matte as well, and it's more of a brown. I love a good brown lip color. This is really nice. It's more of a, I want to say a mauvey type of brown. That's what it looks like. This is more of an everyday color for me. And then next is the Lippie stick called Lotion, which I suppose I didn't even realize. I basically got the Lippie stick and the liquid lipstick. Not the Lippie stick. This is a lip pencil. So a lip pencil in Notion, and it looks exactly the same as the Notion lip, what do you call it, this one. It looks exactly the same, because you know sometimes you can have lipstick products which are called the same thing, they're supposed to be matching but they look slightly different in shade. So this looks like it's supposed to look. And then next I have two concealers. I already have, I think, is it 2 or 3 colors in the no filter concealers. I really do like the concealers. You get a lot of products and they are quite full coverage, I want to say, but they do crease. I have not lines, not fine lines, but I do have like normal lines. I've always had them. I just have extra skin around my eyes. I have hooded lids. My lids are so hooded. My hoods have hoods kind of things. Like, yeah, I have skin on skin, so it's a nightmare doing eye makeup looks. So this color is, so I wanted to basically, the reason I have these, I ordered some more is because the 2 colors I ordered didn't look exactly the way I thought they would look. They look slightly different from what they did on the website, so I thought I'd try something different. So this one is called, this is Tan 50, and it's a bit scary that I can't actually, oh there it is, it's so Tan 50. So I thought this might be a really nice highlight shade. So this is what it looks like. It's slightly bright, and to be honest, these colors, both these colors still look slightly lighter than what they look like on the website, but I think I can get away with this without it looking too bad. So I'll definitely see, I'll be featuring this in one of my in a video coming up soon, maybe a makeup look, just to see how it applies against my skin. And I also got golden, and golden I thought was going to be like tan. I thought it was going to be slightly darker, but again, but at least they've got the right undertone. Like golden is a bit more, both of them have like a golden on yellow undertone, so I can definitely use these two to mix with another darker concealer and you know, see what I get. So that is golden and that is tan. So if you're my skin color and you're looking to order from Colourpop, this is what they look like in real life. And then I have one highlighter. So basically I got these products off the recommendation of Kathryn Lights. So she did a video talking about her favorite Colourpop products, and she also had a promotion at the time. This is how old these products, so not how old, this is how long I've had these products. So I ordered it at the time, and Flexitarian is one of her favorites, and I do have 2 other highlighters from Colourpop, but Flexitarian I don't have, and that's what I actually wanted to buy. Ironically, when I went on the Colourpop website for the first time, that's what I had in my head, and then I saw all the other colours and I was like, oh, highlighter, lipstick, this, that. Totally forgot about Flexitarian, so I had to put another order in. So this is what Flexitarian looks like, and that's what it looks like in the pan. It's like a really good champagne gold. I'm just going to swatch it here. I'll definitely have to layer this, I think. I'll definitely have to layer it or use it very lightly, otherwise it will look a bit washed out on me. But she's super pale, so, well, she's not super pale, but she's obviously much lighter than me. So this will definitely look nice. I just have to layer it on top of a darker highlighter and then put this maybe right on the tip of my cheekbone. Actually, why don't I try that now? I already have a blinding highlighter on. But anyway, so that's what that looks like. And then lastly, what I was actually more curious to try was her Dream Street palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. and looks like that. It's quite a small palette. It's basically the size of the Yes Please palette, and because obviously it's a, what is it, 1 2 3, it's a 12 color eyeshadow palette, so it's quite small. It's a lot smaller than I thought. And you get these beautiful colors. I love the packaging. I love, you know, the whole rose gold shiny yeah, packaging. The only criticism I will say, which obviously I knew going into this, is that these two colors are basically, well, exactly the same. Well, I say they're exactly the same, they're not. I have seen her swatch them, they're, you know, but to the naked eye it's almost like you could afford to put another color in. There are just too many transition neutral type shades, too many neutral shades. Like, I would have loved to have another color maybe, but I do like, you know, it's almost perfect in terms of, you know, the mix, and it's a really nice eyeshadow palette, and I can't wait to feature it. And yes, I'm just gonna jump straight through to swatches. I'm gonna do swatches on my arms, and then I'll come back and show you how they swatch. Okay, so this is what the swatches look like, and just to remind you again, this is what the palette looks like. So from the top, right, so from this row to so from my, what is this, my right to my left, and if you just follow the colors, this is what all of them look like. And the only one that's not really showing up is the lighter one, this lighter one in the pan here, and that's here. So that's actually here. You can't really see it, but as you can see, the shimmers are blinding. The mattes are really nice. The shimmers all don't have the same formula, because I could already tell from when I was watching it, some of them felt harder, slightly grittier than the others, but they swatch amazing, and I can only imagine that they would apply really nicely as well. So that is what they look like. So that is the end of, actually let me put the thing back up. So that is the end of my mini haul part 2. Hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you like this type of video, if you like hauls, please thumbs up. It definitely helps my definitely helps my video get views. It pushes me up in the searches. Yeah, so if we do ask you to thumbs up a video if you like it, please do. It definitely helps, you know, especially small channels like myself get seen, and yeah, get more likes. So if you did enjoy this video, please do that, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. I have loads more videos coming up. I'm trying to get more out. I'm trying to get maybe 2 videos out a week, you know, as my schedule permits, obviously, but yeah, I'm trying to get 2 videos out a week at least. So yeah, hope that pays some dividend, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. This was quite short compared to my other one. I'll put down the link to the first haul that I did. And yeah, so this is my part 2. Hope you enjoyed, hope you like the colors. I did, and I can't wait to wear some of them. But yeah, I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed evening. Bye.